Hello loves, welcome back to all my new subscribers. So on today's video we're going to be discussing the product Olaplex. So I've heard about this line for a while and I thought it was a product that only professionals could use. I didn't know it would have been available to the public, but then I started to see it in Sephora. A lot of people were raving about it, but because I'm such a die-hard Design Essentials fan, like I'm not a product junkie at all. I stick to one line and that's what I use, the shampoo, conditioner, all of that. But I said, let me just try and just see because my ends have been reaping havoc, okay? I haven't got my ends trimmed since before COVID and I'm like, okay, I need to do something. And I'm really bad with getting into the salon. So I said, okay, let me just try this. So the products I purchased from this line is going to be the #3 Hair Perfector, which everyone raves about this. They said if nothing else from the line that you get is going to be this #3. I also got the #4, which is the shampoo. And I also got the #9, which is the bond protector. So I recorded a little bit of the process that I did my hair. So as you can see, I cut my hair quite a bit and I curled it really tight, so it was even shorter than what it was, but it just feels really good. Really soft, really strong is what I see. So the first thing I did was damp my hair because directions say to use on damp hair. So I went in the shower. I wanted my hair to come down as opposed to washing in the sink forward. I wanted it to be laying down. So I went in the shower, damped my hair. I didn't have a lot of product buildup, so I didn't need to shampoo. I just did exactly what the directions said. Damped my hair, then came back and then put the hair protector on my hair. I probably used about a quarter size, 2/4 size, and rubbed it around my hands, and then I put it on each side of my hair, about a quarter size on each side of my hair. And it says let sit for about 10 minutes or more. I think I let it sit for about maybe 15-20 minutes, around there. And then I washed it out the shower and rinsed out the hair protector, and then I proceeded to use #4, which was the shampoo. And then with the shampoo, it was like a sticky sort of gummy texture to the shampoo. I feel like I had to use quite a bit, and it could be because I needed to shampoo my hair. Usually when it's oily, I tend to need to shampoo quite a few times in order to get it to lather. I have thick hair. Okay, so I needed a lot of shampoo. So when I used the shampoo, it gave me like a protein feel, not like in a bad way, like my hair was hard. You know, we use sometimes products that are protein based, it tends to feel a little hard. A little bit, it just felt squeaky clean. And it made my hair feel strong. I personally don't mind that feeling because I love when my hair just feels like it's getting strengthened and it feels clean. So I don't mind that feeling. So I probably shampooed about 3 times. And then I didn't purchase the conditioner. It comes with a conditioner, which is I think #5. A lot of people rave about that as well, but I have my holy grail deep conditioner that I use with Design Essentials, so I skipped that part, which was fine, but it brought back moisture into my hair. After I conditioned my hair, I rinsed everything out, sectioned my hair in about 6 sections, and then I proceeded to put in the #9 serum. So this serum is supposed to help quickly dry your hair, protect it from the heat, because I do use a lot of heat. So with my hair, it's kind of hard to explain. It does definitely need a trim, but because I put a lot of heat more so on the top of my hair because I wear the units a lot and I haven't been putting heat to the back of my hair, the top of my hair and the sides are more heat trained, so they're going to be a little bit longer. So it tends to seem like the ends are more ratty than they really are because the top is longer than the bottom, or it's more straight than the bottom. But besides that, I do need to trim because I trim myself, but I haven't had a good professional trim. So I cut off a lot of hair. I may show what it looked like before I trimmed it and after. I still need to get a good trim even after I trimmed it up myself. I'm gonna get it professionally trimmed, but for now I took off a good amount where the ends don't feel as ratty and tangled. So I put in the diamond size of the serum, and according to the directions, it says to apply a small amount to damp towel dried hair, working upward from ends to roots, which I did. I started from the ends and worked my way up to the roots, starting with the back section. And then add more as needed. Air dry for soft texture or blow dry for a smooth finish, or you could diffuse. I blow dry every single time. I do not air dry my hair ever. So I did notice that it blew dry my hair much faster. It doesn't really take long to blow dry my hair on a typical day, on a typical wash day, but I did notice that it was a little bit more smooth. Because my ends need to be trimmed, it's not as smooth as it could have been. So I proceeded to that same process throughout my entire head. I didn't show when I flattened my hair because I already did the same process that I did in my previous hair video, which I linked somewhere at the top. I do the exact same thing with flattening my hair. Then I proceeded to curl it, pin curl it, and then it is what you see today, which I love. Soft, fluffy, and I'm loving it. My hair feels very airy, light, still very full, but strong. And again, I feel like this is a product that you have to use over quite a period of time in order to see full results. I'm not expecting to see 100% change on the first try, but I do feel like my hair feels much stronger already on the first use. I'm going to say the number one product I would recommend is going to be the hair protector, because that is what's going to repair the bonds in your hair. My ends don't feel as ratty even before I cut it off. They feel much more smooth than they did prior to me using it, but even more so now that I've trimmed up my ends. And typically I do like to use product lines all together, so I would recommend getting the shampoo, and I may try the conditioner as well. I just have my holy grail that I'm just so obsessed with, but I may purchase the conditioner as well because a lot of people speak highly of that, and I'm curious to try because these products are made to be used together. So eventually I'll keep on adding more and more product as I go. But I'm trying to grow my hair out healthy, and it could be I need to use a little bit less heat, but I like using heat on my hair. I like my hair straight, and that's just that. So I'm going to continue to use it, and hopefully using this product will keep my hair in a healthy state. So yeah guys, so that was my first impression on the product. I'm gonna keep on using it over and over, and then I'll come back with a follow-up video just to let you guys know like how I've been loving the product so far. Do I feel like it's worth it? As of right now, I feel like it's worth it. My hair feels completely different, much softer. I haven't flat ironed the whole thing in a while. Normally it's just the top, but I would definitely recommend it. I can't say that I'll probably put my hair up in a bun after this because I've been loving the bun. But so far so good. I recommend this product a lot. Specifically, if you're gonna get any product, I would say get number 3. Okay guys, so that was all for today. Let me know down below if you guys use Olaplex at all. If you do, what products in the line do you use? Let us know down below. Let's talk about it. Let me know if I should do something different. Let me know if I did everything correctly. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscription bell down below and the notification bell wherever it is on the screen. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and now TikTok, because I'm over there too. I'm uploading quite consistently over there too. Follow me on those too, and until next time.